weather your way.
Gonna be watching on Channel 5. And it's gonna be cut up because copyright.
Times Square as the countdown is on to the new year. And ahead of tonight's festivities, thousands of people used special confetti to write out
Hopefully
their
we'll
wishes
catch
for
the old,
2026.
what are they called again? Something 49ers and fastball. People are gonna be like, oh, why you watch TV on these? Everything's cut off. My response to that is, who the hell cares? As long as you can see the show, who cares about the commercials anyway?
That's the goal, right? That I can live with. But Amin, that I didn't see that coming. The King of Queens, weeknights on Cozy TV.
My eyes are getting weary. My back is getting tight.
6 hours till
Hey, listen, don't
2026.
start dinner. I'm taking you to that Japanese place again tonight.
Oh, yeah.
Are you obsessed with that place?
I'm not obsessed
What?
with it.
Yeah, you're right.
I'm
Yeah,
right about what?
It's fun. It's like-
6 hours.
Yes, I know how to count.
Because, no, I was thinking 24 hours. Because you're like, I mean, 'cause you're asking at 6 in the morning, 12 1.
Here's what we have for refreshments as far as sparkling water goes. Bellini Bliss. And Mojito Breeze. That'll probably be my least favorite. Anyway, back in my room, I busted open a Tiki Sunrise. And when I'm bending down like this, I sound stuffy and weird. It's Tiki Sunrise, not Tiki, whatever the hell I said. Here's the plan. Gonna watch The King of Queens till it ends at 9. And then we'll watch 2 episodes of Law & Order Criminal Intent. Then Homicide Life on the Street comes on. And when the first episode is wrapping up, we will switch to Channel 5. At the 10-minute mark, actually, I'm going to show some clips of that. I was going to use the 78 RCA color track, but I changed my mind. I'm going to use the 1984 Magnavox. I'm still working on a video on it. I got it out recently and recorded a video you can check out if you want. And I think we'll have the Samsung. Why is it so blue? I thought I fixed the grayscale issue. Those stupid jail bars. It's unbearable. Hell, my Zenith, it's fine, but still annoying. Sony, a lot of product placement in the show. The telephone, the TV, XBR Trinitron, and there's some transistor radios, and there's the cordless telephone. And here's the Zoom. Here's that commercial that annoys the absolute hell out of me. A lot of people are doing this, not just me, as you already know that, and I don't have to say that, because, well, you know. There's a Zenith. Yes, of course I am. 9 o'clock. Damn, that looks good. Three hours left.